Hello? Can you hear me?
Hello?
Hello? Oh yeah, now it's working. Sorry, my speaker was not working. Let me just. I had some. I don't understand the unit circle. Can you explain it for me?
Unit circle.
Yeah, the
Okay,
unit circle. I don't understand it, so I want to know it because I don't fully understand it.
I'll share the board here. So it is only about unit circle or any concepts related to it.
Just unit circle and the concepts. Yeah.
Now you see here, this is a circle that I have drawn. Like I'll just take the center to be origin and the distance 1 unit. So here we have a circle with center at origin and radius equals to 1 unit. So this is a type of circle which is what we call as unit circle. Unit means one. So circle with radius equal to 1 is what we call as a unit circle. Probably if you have seen, um, you might have observed that we have got trigonometric values, trigonometric ratios all defined from this unit circle only. So every point on this unit circle is determined by the coordinate cos theta comma sin theta, where you just join this point to the origin. The angle made by this line with the horizontal right hand side of the horizontal is what we have theta. So the coordinate point will be given as cosine theta comma sine theta. Now in this, what doubts you have, you ask me. What are questions are there? You want me to explain? You ask me, I'll just help you with that.
Uh, I think I get it, but how do you get the coordinate for that?
Coordinate. Okay. We have the equation of this unit circle. The equation, I'll write it over here. Equation is x square plus y square equal to 1. So this is the equation. What about the coordinates? Means, for example, if I take theta equals to 30 degrees, so cosine 30 degrees will be root 3 over 2 and sine 30 degrees will be half. So, so if this theta is equal to 30 degrees, so this coordinate point will be root 3 over 2 comma half. So this will be the coordinate. Is this clear?
Yeah. Yep. It's clear.
So what about the next problem?
Uh, 1 second. Let me find it.
Okay, so what about the next question?
I'm sending it to you right now.
Okay.
I didn't understand this one either, how to do it.
So this is the question, right? So we need to prove tan 2 theta equals 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. So here is it. So tan 2 theta equals to 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta is what we have to prove. I'll just take the left hand side is tan 2 theta. I can write tan 2 theta as sin 2 theta divided by cos 2 theta. Sin 2 theta, you have the formula. We can apply directly. What is it? 2 sin theta cos theta divided by cos 2 theta. I can write it as cos squared theta minus sin squared theta. Now the numerator and denominator, both of the places I just wanted to divide by cos square theta.
Hmm.
So if I just do the division in that way, let us see what will you get as the answer. Moment.
Okay.
Now here 2 sin theta cos theta divided by cos square theta divided by, so numerator I'm dividing by cos square theta. The same thing I'm going to do for the denominator also. So I'll have cos square theta divided by cos square theta minus sin square theta divided by sin square theta. Now just try to simplify this and check whether you're able to get the answer. Are you able to get the answer?
Yeah. Thinking right now. I'm thinking what I need to do here.
I'm sorry. The denominator should be cos square theta. Just didn't see that. So it's 1 minus sin square theta divided by cos square theta is tan square theta, and this is the right hand side. Now, so tan of 22 and a half. So if you take theta is equal to 22 and a half degrees, so you'll get 2 theta is equal to 45 degrees. And we know that value of tan 45 degrees. Okay, so I want you to solve this and tell me what is the answer for tan 22 and a half degrees by substituting theta equals to 22 and a half degrees in the formula that is what we have over here. Okay, so here you can take theta is equal to 22 and a half degrees and do it and tell me the answer. Have you got the answer?
Yeah, doing it right now.
Okay.
Just a bit confused. That's all.
Okay, no problem. I'll just explain if you have a little confusion here. Um, so this is the formula tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. So tan theta is equal to 22 and a half degree means I'll take tan theta as x, like tan 22 and a half as x. So this will be 2x divided by 1 minus x square, and the left hand side will be tan 45 degrees, which is equal to 1. Okay, so you have a quadratic. 2x divided by 1 minus x square is equal to 1, and I think from this you will be able to get the value of x. Can you just try from here?
Uh, yeah. Is it gonna be -1 plus √2?
Yes.
Mm-hmm.
So what do you get?
-1 plus √2.
Minus 1 plus root 2. Okay, so here we have x square plus 2x is equal to 1. Now in this one, if I just add 1 on both the sides, so the left hand side becomes x plus 1 the whole square, which is equal to 2. So x plus 1 is equal to plus or minus square root of 2. X is equal to -1 plus or minus square root of 2. So these are the two values of x. But we know that tan theta, the value of x will be a positive number. So x should be equal to -1 plus square root of 2, or x is equal to square root of 2 minus 1. So this is the value of tan 22 and a half degrees. Able to understand?
Yeah. I have one more. 1 second. Sending it.
So A is an obtuse angle such that sine of A plus pi by 6 plus sine of A minus pi by 6 is equal to 4 root 3 divided by 5. Find sine A and tan A. And given that tan A plus B is equal to half, express tan beta in the form P over Q. I think from this problem it means tan B, because we just have A and B over here. Okay.
Mhm.
Here we'll take the expression sine A plus pi over 6 plus sine A minus pi over 6 equals to 4 root 3 over 5. Now sine A plus B, oh, that is multiplication. Okay. Now sine A plus B plus sine A minus B will be 2 sine A cos B. That's the formula. If you want, I can just write the sine. I'll just write the sine formula over here on the side. So this is equal to, so if I just apply the formula, we have 2 sine A cos pi over 6.
Yeah.
So cos pi over 6 will be like root 3 over 2, which is equal to 4 root 3 over 5. So we can just cancel the terms here like this. And now we get sine A is equal to,
Okay.
is that clear?
Yeah.
So when you have sine A is equal to 4 over 5, and it's given very clearly that angle A is an obtuse angle. So sine A is equal to 4/5. So cos A will be 3/5 or negative 3/5. Can use sine square A plus cos square A equals to 1. So here cos A will be negative 3/5 here, because angle A is an obtuse angle. Okay. So now when you do the division here, you will get tan A is equal to negative 4 over 3. So this is the answer for the first part. So check whether you're able to understand this problem. Clear with this problem? Clear
Yeah.
the solution?
Mm-hmm.
What about the second part? Also given that tan A plus B is equal to half. So how much is tan B? So we have tan A is equal to negative 4 over 3. So from this, so tan A is equal to negative 4 over 3. Tan A plus B is equal to half. Just apply tan A plus B formula. So tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B over 1 minus tan A tan B equals to half. If you want, you can take tan B as y. So let tan B equals to y. You'll get one more equation. Um, so negative 4 over 3 plus y divided by 1 plus 4y over 3 is equal to half. Is that right? Now, can you just solve it and give me the answer?
Will it be minus 4 over 3?
Just a moment.
Mm-hmm. Is it minus 4 over 3? Am I wrong?
Negative 4 over 3. We'll just check this here. So 3y minus 4 divided by 3 plus 4y is equal to half. So 6y minus 8 is equal to 3 plus 4y. No, we have a different value, I think.
Mm-hmm.
Just a moment.
Huh, what am I doing wrong there?
Just
Yeah, I'm not too sure. Uh, can you hear me?
Sorry for the delay. This I had a call. So you get the value 2y is equal to 11 and y is equal to 11 over 2. Are you- but you said you got a different value. Check the answer once.
Uh, yeah, that's what I got. I'm trying it now, and that's what I'm getting.
So answer is the answer 11 over 2.
Yep. Uh, I'm not too sure what the next one would be.
Yes. Is the solution clear?
Yeah, it is.
Okay. So we'll go to the next problem. So next two images you have sent me. So here in this problem number question number 24, in the triangle PQR, angle QRP is equal to 90 degrees and RP is equal to H. Okay. S is a point on QR such that angle SPQ is equal to 2B and RPS is equal to 45 minus B. Show that the length SR is equal to H tan 45 minus B. Okay, now if you can just take this right angle triangle PSR. So in triangle PSR, if you take in triangle PSR, tangent of 45 minus B will be equal to the opposite side is SR divided by the adjacent side will be H. Now when you do cross multiply, you'll get SR is equal to H tan 45 minus B. Okay, so we have proved the first part. Is the first part clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Coming to the next part, hence or otherwise show that length QS is equal to 2H tan 2B. So to prove QS is equal to 2H tan 2b. So what is QS? Now QR is total. So QS can be written as QR minus SR. Okay, so I'll start with QS. QS is equal to QR minus SR. SR value we'll already know. Okay. Now I just have to substitute QR value. So QR value is tangent of the total angle will be 45 plus B. Is that right? The entire angle? Because here
Yeah.
we have 45 minus B and here we have 2B. When you add them, you'll get 45 plus B. So if I take tan of 45 plus B, I will get it as QR divided by H. So QR is equal to H tan of 45 plus B minus SR we have already found out just now, H tan of 45 minus B. Is that right?
Yeah.
Would you like to simplify this by yourself by taking H common?
I think you can take H common. I'm not sure though.
So tan A plus B minus tan A minus B formula you can just try to apply and do simplification. You'll be able to get this one. You just check whether you're able to get the answer here or not. Just do it now. If any doubts, you ask me.
Hmm. So we have this here, H tan 45. So
Have you got the
then,
answer?
no, I'm thinking.
There is nothing to think. We have the formula, right? So you know the formula tan A plus B equals tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. If you want, I can just modify the formula like this.
Yeah.
So this is the formula. I hope you can understand this formula here. So tan A plus B will be tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A tan B. And tan A minus B will be tan A minus tan B divided by 1 plus tan A tan B. So here we have plus or minus, here plus or minus, here minus or plus. So the top symbol, you have a formula, and for the bottom symbol means everywhere we have bottom symbol. We need to use the bottom symbol. So we have these two formulae. So I want you to try applying these two formulae here for the first formula for the first expression and the second formula for the second expression and do a simplification and you see whether you are able to get 2h tan 2b or not. Okay. Will you be able to do it now? Just try this
Yeah,
once.
I think so.
If you're not getting, no problem, I'll help you. But you will be able to do this. This is just basic simplification. Okay.
Is it 30 degrees?
So you got the answer?
Mm-hmm.
Any doubts in this solution?
No, think I get it.
Have you got the answer?
Yeah, 30 degrees.
30 degrees. No, no, no. I, so which problem you are doing?
Doing question 26. We need to find O, right? And O is 30 degrees. Not O, sorry, theta. Theta is 30 degrees.
No, no. Question number 24 is what we were doing now currently.
That's why it was so confusing. Oh,
No, no. Are you following the screen? Are you able to see the screen? See the board?
yeah, I was, but previously when you had the text, you put up 26, and I thought it was that.
I've
I
never.
think,
No, no, no. I've not taken 26 at all. 24 is what we were doing now. See, I marked the first part,
oh, okay.
explained
Yeah,
the
this
first
one's
part here.
easy. 24 is easy.
So my question is, are you able to apply the formula here and you'll be able to get the answer 2h tan 2b?
Yes,
You got the answer. We'll move to the next
yep,
problem.
yep.
Okay, that's good. Maybe just try to focus because you have different question in your mind at this moment. I think, wait, yeah, I got more questions. Like, yeah, you have sent me 24, 25, and 26. Currently, we are doing question number 24. Okay. So do you want me to explain this step till the answer, or we'll move on to next number, question number
Move
25?
on to the next one.
We'll go to the next problem. Okay, fine, that's fine. We have question number 25 here. In the triangle XYZ, angle XYZ is 2 beta, angle XZY is beta, XY is 3. Okay, these are the measures which are given here. Use this information to express sine 2 beta in the form A by B sine beta. Okay, maybe like I'll just do it here itself. So sine rule we can apply. So you know what is sine rule? A over sine A equals B over sine B equals C over sine C. So I'll take the side as 3. So 3 divided by sine beta equals 5 divided by sine 2 beta. So use this information to express sine 2 beta in the form A over B sine beta. So now here, so 3 sine 2 beta equals to 5 sine beta and sine 2 beta equals to 5 over 3 sine beta. So this is the first proof. You see whether you are able to understand the solution.
Yeah.
Okay, next. Hence, express tan beta in the form square root of C over D. So tan beta, how much is it? I have to express in the given form. So sine 2 beta will expand. It will be 2 sine beta cos beta equals to 5 over 3 sine beta. So sine beta cancels. Cos beta will be 5 divided by 6.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So here cos beta equals 5 over 6. We need to calculate the value of tan beta. So how do you calculate? What is your method to calculate tan beta? So you can take sine beta. Sine beta will be square root of 1 minus cos square beta. You calculate this value. How much will be the answer?
So cos theta.
So square root of 1 minus 25 over 36 will get root 11 over 6. Now tan beta will be, am I right? Am I doing all the calculations correctly?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Root 11 over 6. Yes.
Okay. So what will be the value of tan beta?
The value of tan beta will be, uh, want to just be sine beta over cos beta?
Exactly. So simplify and tell me the answer. Sine beta value is here, cos beta value. Just you need to divide them.
Hmm. Would it be, uh, 11 over 5?
Root 11 over 5. Yeah, the
5.
answer is right. So root 11 over 6 divided by 5 over 6. 6 gets cancelled. Root 11 over 5. That's the answer. So that's the answer. Yeah, we are represented in the form of C and D. So C is equal to 11 and D is equal to 5. Clear the solution?
Yeah.
We'll go to the next one, number 26. Okay, I already opened it. Okay, a little challenging problem, I think. QRST is a vertical rectangular wall of height h on level ground. P is a point on the ground in front of the wall. The angle of elevation of R from P is theta and S from P is 2 theta. We have to find the value of theta. PQ is equal to 3 times PT. So PQ I can take it as X. Now here we just simply apply tangent formula, right? Is that right? Tangent formula we can apply here. So tan theta will be h over 3x and tan 2 theta will be h over x. So tan 2 theta is equal to 2 tan theta divided by 1 minus tan square theta. Tan 2 theta is h over x is equal to 2 h over 3x divided by 1 minus tan square theta will be h squared over 9x squared.
Yeah.
How much is theta? We have to calculate. Okay, let's see what are we able to get from here. So h over x is equal to 2h over 3x divided by 9x square minus h square divided by 9x square. Is that right? We'll simplify
Mm-hmm.
this. So h over x equals 2h over 3x times 9x square over 9x square minus h square. So h cancels, x cancel. Now the right hand side is equal to 1. So I'll just take the 1 to be on the right hand side here. So 18x square is equal to 3 times 9x square minus h square. 18x square is equal to 27x square minus 3h square. So 3h square is equal to 9x square. H square is equal to 3x square. H is equal to 3x, root 3x. H is equal to square root of 3x. Now, so tan theta, square root of 3x divided by 3x, which is equal to 1 over square root of 3. So theta equals to 30 degrees. Already I've got the answer as 30 degrees. Is that right? You did this problem already. And the answer
Yes.
is 30 degrees. Here's the solution. Just go through the solution. Any doubts you have, you ask me. So if you are clear with this, you can just send me the next set of questions.
Yeah, I'm looking through it right now. Hmm.
Are you clear? I think we can move on to
Hmm.
the next problem you have sent me. Mm, the next is question number 28. Using cosine rule, show that cos A plus cos C is equal to 7 over 8. Can you try the first one? You know the cosine rule formula? Actually, these are all very direct problems. So we are currently doing question number 28. I'll just
Yeah.
upload it over here. Oh my. I don't know whether I copied it or not. Yes, here is it. Here is the question. Just do it now. Solve the first part. What about the first part? Using cosine rule. So cos A will be B square plus C square minus A square divided by 2BC. So opposite to A is what we have small a, and opposite to B is B, and opposite to C is C. So how much you are getting? Cos A,
Okay.
6 square plus 5 square minus 4 square divided by 2 times 6 times 5. Similarly, you can find out cos C as well, and you can add and you can check whether you get the answer 7 over 8. Just check whether you are getting this answer.
7/8.
You're getting 7 divided by 8.
No, I'm not actually.
The first part of this problem.
Yeah, I'm not getting 7/8 when I add them. I'm getting 4/8. So I'm doing
No,
something
no.
wrong.
Cos A and cos C, both of them you have to find out and you have to add them. Just try once again. If you're not getting, I'll
Yeah,
just
yeah. When
remove.
I add them, I'm getting 4/8. That's the problem. I'm doing something wrong here.
Check the formula. So cos A formula I've written here. Cos C on the left hand side I'll write here. Sorry. So cos C will be equal to A square plus B square. You just remember what are the sides that we have taken. Opposite to capital A will be small a. Okay. The side like that. 2AB. So these are the two formulae that we have. Apply this formula correctly and check whether and tell me whether you get the answer.
Is A 9/16 and C 1/8? But that's not correct. No,
Have you found out the mistake?
not yet. I'm not too sure what I'm doing wrong.
No, we have the formula here. We just need to what to say? We just have to substitute the value, substitute the variables correctly. We have A is equal to 4. I'll just write that also. Looks like you are not bit confident. I want you to be more confident. Okay. So
Mhm.
A is equal to 4, B is equal to 5, C is equal to 6. These are the values that we have to substitute. Don't substitute different values for different variables. These are the individual values that we need to do the substitution. No problem. Just try again. Check. You'll definitely get the right answer.
Okay. Is cos A 3/4 and cos C 1/8? I think I got it now.
Got the answer?
Yeah.
Oh, that's good. Okay, next one. Show that cos of A plus C is equal to negative 9 over 16. Now, how are you going to do this problem? So, cos,
So all angles are 180, right? When you add all the angles.
yes, that's right, that's right.
So A plus C will equal 180 minus B.
And this is negative cos B. Is that right?
Yep.
And you can apply this formula, the same cosine rule formula, you'll be able to get negative 9 over 16. So, how are you? Are you able to solve the problems?
Yeah, I'm doing it right now.
Um, are you clear with this solution?
Yeah.
Okay, can you just send me the next set of questions? Okay, we'll go on to the next problem. Mm. So question number 8. An oscillating wave is given by f of t is equal to 100 sine of 2 pi t, where time t is measured in seconds. Okay. Write down the amplitude. So what is the amplitude? What is the amplitude of sine x function? So this length is 1, this length is 1. 1 plus 1, 2, half of 2 is 1. So 1 is the amplitude. Is that right? So here amplitude will be 100, correct? What is the range of the function? So range of the function, sine range is -1 to 1. So 100 multiplied by the range -1 to 1 gives us -100 to 100. This gives us the range of the function. What about the period? Sin x period is 2 pi. So here we have multiplied by 2 pi. So 2 pi divided by 2 pi t. T is the period of the function. Or we can say t is equal to 1. So period of the function is 1. Okay. So this is -100 to 100. An adjustment to the wave is made and now it's given by the formula here. So now write down the amplitude of the wave. So the maximum value will be 150 and the minimum value will be -50, right? So just you find the difference, you'll get 200 and divided by 2 gives you 100. The amplitude of the wave remains the same as 100 because when you add 50, the curve just goes upward by 50 units. So that does not change the amplitude of the function. And what about the range? The range is maximum and minimum here. So it's, I mean, like -50 minimum, comma 150 as the maximum. The period of the function will not change. The period of the function is still 1. Okay. So these are all the answers.
Yeah.
Just go through all the solutions once. Probably I've explained it very quickly. Just check whether you are able to understand every part of the problem. Any part you're not able to understand, just ask me. So if you are just go through everything, understand everything, and once you complete it, just send me the next question.
Mhm. Yeah, I get it. So,
So you are clear. So you can just send me the next question.
mhm. I sent it.
So next problem.
Mhm.
Question number 10. So this is similar to the previous problem, right?
Yeah, but there's some stuff about the minutes.
Yeah. So here, so now why do we have 3.5? Is it 3 multiplied by 5? Because it's not at the down, it's at the center. So h of t, I can just write it as 15 plus 6 sine of pi t over 6. I'm not so sure why they are given as a product of two terms. Okay. Write down the amplitude of the wave. So 15 plus 6 is 21. 15 minus 6 will be 9. Adding them will 30 divided by 2 gives you 15. That is like whatever value that we have here, we can take it as the amplitude of the wave. Amplitude is 15. Range of values from 9 to 21. So 9 comma 21. What is the period of the function? So 2 pi divided by pi over 6. Pi cancel. It's 12. Is that right?
Yeah.
What is the maximum height of the tide? Minimum height of the tide? We already know. We have got it here, which is 21 and 9. What about the height of the tide will be at 4:30? So t is equal to 9 over 2. You have to substitute for the sixth part. So t is equal to 9 over 2. You substitute. So how much will you get? 15 plus 6 sine of pi over 6 times 9 over 2. So it will be 2, 3, 3 pi over 4. How much is it? 15 plus 6 sine of 3 pi over 4. Is that right? So 3 pi over
Yeah.
4 is less than pi. So it's a positive quantity. So 15 plus 6 times 1 over root 2. 15 plus 3 root 2. When to the nearest minute will the tide first be 4 meters? No, it's 3 times 5 or 3.5. Oh, I took it as 3 times 5. Tide cannot be 4 in that case. It should be 3 point, decimal point. I think decimal point should be kept downwards, like 3.5 is what the decimal point will be looking like. The point is looking at the center, which means multiplication. Is it decimal point or multiplication here?
Mhm.
I think I have to take it as decimal point.
Okay.
I gave you the idea. Will you be able to do it, or I'll just help
I'm
you?
doing it right now, but it's a bit confusing. But I'm doing it.
Rather than 3.5, they can give you directly as 15. So since it is given like this, probably it should mean decimal point here. So amplitude will be like 3.5. Is that right?
Yeah.
And range will be 3.5 minus 3.2 will be 0.3, comma 6.7.
Mhm.
What is the period of the function? That's 12. That's the same. And maximum and minimum are there. 6.7 and 0.3. It's 3.5 plus 3.2 divided by square root of 2. If you can just calculate, this gives you the answer for sixth part. And when to the nearest minute will the first side be 4 meters? So just equate this expression to 4 and get the value of theta. Probably can need to use a calculator to get the answer.
Mhm.
Are you clear with the solution?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you just send me the next one? Next question.
I think I got it now. I got the answers for all of the questions in this one.
Which one you're asking?
Saying I think I finished question 10.
Yes. Okay. Just can you send me the next question?
Yeah.
The next question.
Yeah.
Uh, Sine wave. A part of trigonometric wave is shown below. Assume the points A and C are the turning points of the function that y is equal to 12 represents the midway line. Okay, so y is equal to 12 represents midway line. So I'll just write it here. So this point will be like 0, comma 12. Okay. If the wave is given by the equation f of x is equal to p plus q sine rx, find the value of p, q, and r. Find the coordinates of the point C.
Hmm.
So at 90 degree, it arrives the maximum. So definitely it should be a sine curve. And the maximum is at 40. Okay, so maximum value is 40. And how much will be the minimum value? Minimum value we can just find out directly here. You see the distance that we can take here is the amplitude, and the distance that we can have it over here. Now the distance here is 28. Is that right? Because 12 plus 28 is 40. Now here also the distance will be 28 because it's symmetric over uh, both the sides along the midway, because 12 is acting as a midway. So 12 minus 28 gives you the least value, and this will be like 12 minus 28 gives you negative 16. So this coordinate will be negative 16, and this definitely will be 270 degrees, because at sine 270 degrees gives you the least possible value.
Okay.
Next, so I found out the answer for the part B here. Now I have to represent this as a form of a function. Now, when x is equal to 0, we get the answer as 12. So P plus Q sine Rx. Okay. So P is equal to 12. Okay, this midway line here. And Q will be, so plus 28 and minus 28. So Q is equal to 28. Now R is equal to, you see here, at 90 degrees. So it's just as common. So R is equal to 1. These are the answers. So the
Yes.
function will be of the form f of x is equal to 12 plus 28 sin x. Now substitute x is equal to 0, you'll get answer 12. X is equal to 90 degree, you'll get 12 plus 28, which is 40. X equal to 360 degree, once again as 12. X equal to 270 degrees, 12 minus 28 will be negative 16. All of these are satisfying correctly.
Okay.
Are you clear with the solution?
Yeah. I'm clear with it.
I think around another 5 minutes is there. If you have any other questions, you can send it to me. We may have.
I don't really have any. I think that's it.
All the solutions, are clear.
Yeah.
Any doubts you have got?
No.
All the problems that you've done. You've done so many
Yeah.
problems, I think. Uh, okay, then we'll finish today. We'll continue on the next class. Any other questions, any doubts you have got, you can ask.
Yeah.
Any questions? You're able to understand all the problems?
Yes, I am able to understand all the problems.
Okay, fine. Okay, then we'll finish our class today. We'll continue in the next class then.
Bye.